This is Pastor Richard Williams. I'm here at True Deliverance Church. I want to share with you one of my favorite passages of Scripture, and it is Romans 12 and verse number 1. I beseech you, brethren, by the mercies of God, that ye present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. And this is, I want you to take a look at this banner here. It says, availability is greater than ability. Availability is to present yourselves before God. God is the one that would gift us. God is the one that will pour grace into us. So as long as we avail ourselves before God, it's always greater than what we think we know. That is your own ability. It is God that will give you ability, but first you have to make yourselves available. And I know a lot of times we think that we don't have to present ourselves, our lives unto God, but the scripture tells us that it is our duty, it is our reasonable service because of God's mercy. Every day God's mercies are new. You get up, you're clothed in your right mind, the blood is still running warm in your veins, you're still amongst the living. All of those things represent God's mercy. So we present ourselves to him. And that's one of the things we come to True Deliverance. So we present ourselves so he can bless us, he can give us what we need, he can empower us, and we owe it to him. Because what all of that says, my friend, is that we are called to serve. Jesus did not come to be served, but he came to serve. And so once we avail ourselves to God, it is always greater than any ability that we may have, my friend. Again, availability is greater in the sense that God is the one that gives you ability. So my friend, remember now, it's when you avail yourself is always greater than your ability. Remember those words. You ought to write those words down somewhere where you can always be reminded. It is your duty to avail yourselves before God. Again, this is Pastor Richard Williams.